Hey, we are Travis and Anna. We're in Madeira, Portugal, and for the next 7 days, we are going to take you along with us while we uncover the best Madeira has to offer, from breathtaking nature and scrumptious food to blood-curdling outdoor activities and traditions. The island belongs to Portugal, but is located almost 1,000 kilometers south of the mainland, in the Atlantic Ocean. We started our trip by taking a very early direct flight from Amsterdam, the Netherlands. We woke up just before the landing, in time to see the beautiful runway, partly built on pillars in the ocean. We just arrived at Madeira Airport and we are waiting for our car.
We made it into Madeira and we've got our car, Peugeot 2008.
So we ordered the smallest car available and we get, it's definitely not the smallest car available, to see how it's going to fare in the city.
We're heading to the hotel now.
Okay. Beautiful Madeira.
You have reached your destination on your right.
During our time in Madeira, we will be staying in various accommodations in different parts of the island. The first being in Funchal, the capital, where we are staying 3 nights in this super luxurious hotel.
Very nice. I feel like this is an upgrade too.
Everything feels like an upgrade here.
Okay.
Maybe we should have booked this all 7 nights.
I told you we're gonna miss this when we're in our tent. So beautiful here. It's a perfect spot.
A little sleep deprived, we decided to take it easy that morning, but we still wanted to make the most of the rest of our day. So we did some research about nearby attractions and found that the highest sea cliffs in Europe were only 20 minutes away.
So where have we come to?
The highest place in the world. Cabo, probably don't say this wrong. Gerau. Are you afraid of heights?
No, I'm not. Are you?
No. I had a dream that I was.
Next to the unique view, Cabo Geral is also a great spot for paragliding and base jumping. A few years ago, a Portuguese parachutist even jumped off these cliffs with his motorcycle. Next, we headed back to Funchal for the rest of the evening. The main market in the old town had already ended, so we checked out Funchal's most colorful street instead, Rua de Santa Maria.
We're gonna head back to the hotel, have a swim before we indulge in some delicious food. We had a good breakfast and now we're on our way to do some whale watching.
No, we're going the right way. We just need to go there.
The waters around Madeira are one of the best places in southern Europe to spot whales and dolphins. To have the best chance of seeing wildlife, we booked a 2.5-hour guided tour with a company called Rota dos Sateos. Our guide told us that she had spotted whales just yesterday, so we were hopeful. So we searched and searched and searched. And after 1 hour of sailing up and down the coast, we slowly started to lose that hope. In an attempt to make up for the lack of sightings, we sailed towards the coast to visit Callao de Lapa, a beautiful bay where you can swim and even rent a cave in the rocks. With our boat trip coming to an end, we started to head back to the harbor. And then, all of a sudden, there were dolphins everywhere, jumping and playing around the boat. They were so graceful. It was such an unexpected surprise. Whether you spot any animals at all on trips like this is of course entirely in the hands of nature. So although we did not see any whales, we are grateful that the dolphins came to say hi. 2.5 hours on a dinghy is quite long if you don't see anything at all, but it does give you a new perspective of Funchal and the south coast.
We are at Solar da Santola, having a swordfish and steak sandwich. And it is so delicious so far. The bread is so fresh and the fish so flaky.
And Shandy in Madeira actually has real beer compared to the Malawi Shandy. Good?
Yeah.
For the rest of the day, we wanted to attempt to hike the most eastern point of Madeira, a popular hike called Punta São Lourenço. This would be the closest we were going to get to the east coast. So although there weren't that many hours of daylight left, we fueled up on some ice cream and headed there.
Let the walks begin.
Yeah.
3 hours to the point of São Lourenço.
Yeah, we might need to cut it short. We won't be back before it gets dark. Actually feels like the only person on this earth when you're standing there, looking out over the ocean. Can you imagine that they arrived here in 1419 on a ship?
He must have been amazed. Anna has started running. If we skip the bar, we might make it before sunset.
Down there you can swim. You want to swim and then head back?
I want to make it to the top.
You have to start.
Okay, let's go. 0.6 kilometers.
Well, it's 1.6. I read that's not part of the official walk anymore, but everyone still does it.
Okay, let's do it. Made it to one of the beaches that is in Punta de São Lourenço. That's it down there. Are you going for a swim? And now, hopefully, we will make it to the top.
Oh my gosh, we're the only people here.
Somewhere there.
You still want to go there?
Yeah, I still want to go to the top. But at least that was refreshing.
Yeah, dip in the Atlantic. But it looks like it's going to storm. I don't know about going to the top.
Yeah, there's a few clouds.
A few.
Yeah, well, as you said, we're wet already, so it doesn't matter if it rains.
More worried about the dark in 1 hour.
Yeah. But look at this view. Yeah, not a single person.
Yeah, that's because they're all safe in their cars.
Okay, let's try get to the top.
Okay, are we jogging?
Yeah, we could try.
I like somewhere that when you get to the stairs, it's 20 more minutes. So how do you feel about your time today?
Feels good. I did something useful. How do you feel?
How do I feel? Well, I've had better days. My leg is cramping up a little bit. I've done it in under an hour before, but I'm still very happy I came first.
And once again, no one to be seen.
In the end, the walk took us 2.5 hours instead of the recommended 4. The views were totally worth jogging for. There's something magical about having a place of such natural beauty all to yourself. We hope you enjoyed the first of 4 Madeira videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next part.